Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make your audio fade on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to have clean audio transitions. So, the very first step is opening CapCut, and then making a new project, and then adding your clip. So, once you have this added, you're gonna want to tap on it and scroll through, and then find Extract Audio. Once you do that, tap on the extracted audio, scroll through again, and tap on fade. And if you want the starting part of it to fade in, like it goes from 0 volume to 100, you're just gonna tap on fade in, and as you can see, it goes from 0 to 100, and I can fix how long I want that to be. You can also do fade out, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Once you do that, it's gonna work so well, and it's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.